Hello everyone! Ito po yung handa namin last New Year Medianoche. Lechon, um, salad, my own salad version, and spaghetti, and gulaman, and hindi yan mawawala yung spaghetti. And of course, cake, bigay na aking pamangkin, at saka may homemade chocomocho ice cream. Yun lang, simpleng handaan lang tayo kasi Pordoy. Thank you so much sa support ninyo guys sa aking channel. Salamat mga minamahal kong subscriber. Happy New Year everyone. Love you all. Mwah, chup chup. Hello, may pizza pa pala. Pa-pizza si pamangkin. Kaya may nadagdag palang monster pizza. Thank you so much sa blessings. Last 2024. Goodbye 2024 and welcome year 2025. Hopefully maganda ang ating taong 2025.